one of the more surprising things in my practice is when somebody says, my two children don't get along, so I'm going to make them both co-trustees or co-executors. And it's like, well, what are you talking about? Or, and the corollary of that is, I have three kids, and this is the one that I trust to divvy up my estate three ways. And I can tell stories all day long about the two that you don't pick, don't trust the one that you did pick.
Right.
And it becomes very expensive with or without a trust. Although I'm considered a trust-based planning attorney, we still do a lot of probates because people forget to put things in the trust or they have issues that require court approval. But we do the best we can to analyze and make sure that the clients have the information. The people that need a simple will and they have two kids that get along, that's simple. We make sure that they have a good financial power of attorney and a healthcare power of attorney so that they don't run into big problems, because now those problems are even bigger because they need a healthcare agent and they don't have one, and they don't have the money to go through what you have to go through to get a conservator or a guardian appointed. Well, we can solve that problem for a fraction of the cost. But really, we're talking about people of wealth. And when I started in this business, that meant you had $1 million. If you had $1 million, you were going to pay about $200,000 in estate taxes. That's 20% of your estate. Today, a married couple can have almost $30 million before they have to be concerned about estate taxes. That doesn't mean that they don't need to worry about step up in basis and making sure that their assets are positioned properly. Healthcare, powers of attorney, and considering how you're going to arrange your estate. It used to be everybody got what we called an AB trust, and we have a lot of family trusts or decedents trusts out there that aren't serving any purpose other than increasing capital gains tax. You can't find that information on the internet and draw down a document.